Let's make a photo collage on your iPhone without installing any extra apps. First, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. If you don't see it, simply search for it. Now tap Gallery at the bottom. Inside Gallery, tap Search bar and type Photo. When you see Photo Grid, tap on it. This shortcut is made to take multiple pictures and combine them into one collage. Tap the button that says Add Shortcut. Once you add it, the shortcut is saved to your shortcuts library. This is where all your shortcuts live after you add them. So now find Photo Grid and tap on the three dots to open its settings. After that, tap the down arrow button at the top. From here, tap Add to Home Screen. Now you can choose a color and an icons for that shortcut. When you are happy with the icon and color, tap Add. Now you'll see a new icon on your home screen, just like an app. When you tap it, it will ask you to pick pictures. So select the pictures you want in your collage, then tap here, and right after that the shortcut will automatically create a collage for you and you'll see the final grid image on the screen. Now tap the share icon, then tap save image. Now open the Photos app and go to Recents, and after that you will see your collage will be right there. And that's it. Now you know how to create a photo collage on your iPhone without any third-party apps. If you have any question or get stuck, drop a comment below and I will help you out. And if this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more easy simple tutorials like this one.